is up? How is everyone doing today? My name is Sams, and in this video I am going to be telling you a few key tips on how to invest, and also a great way of keeping on top of your trading. So the rich investor will always be thinking how he or she can improve their skills with investing and how to take more risk. So obviously more risk means more reward, and just basically trying to build their portfolio income. Okay, so that's the first thing. The second thing is basically how to be a better investor. So there's going to be the average investor. The average investor is 90% of all investors, and the 90% of all investors only make 10% of the money. The 10% people make 90% of the money. So the average investor will think to play it safe and not to take risks, while the 10% and the experienced and the professional investor would look to invest in something and take more risk, because before they buy something they have that confidence and they want to risk slightly more. If you take risk, you're more likely to eventually find something that is going to make you a lot of money, and if you're consistent and you know what to invest in, you can afford to make more risk, because before you buy it you basically know that it's going to go your way. And the average investor will buy something and they won't know if it's going to make them money until they sell it. So also in this video I'm going to be uploading 3 screenshots of 6 months Spotify premium codes. So it'll be random within the video that the codes will appear on the screen. So it's first comes first service. The instructions will be in the screenshot how to redeem it. Also, you have to make a new Spotify account to redeem the codes. You can't do it on an existing Spotify account. Right, so I was editing my YouTube video and everything was pretty much all good to go apart from my analysis, which I screen recorded. But as soon as I went to move it over, like the picture didn't show, unfortunately. So you couldn't see any of my analysis apart from the audio, which you can listen to. When I go to play it, it's all fine. So something went wrong there, but we'll be able to sort it out in my next video and actually get this thing working properly, so I don't have to record off my camera to my screen. So it's another beautiful day in the UK. We've had some nice weather recently, and I just want to tell you that update on pound to Australian dollar. So obviously I took out that trade at decent profit. I would say I was very happy with that amount of profit I'd made on that trade, and the reason why I took out of it, because sometimes if I'm comfortable with that amount of profit I make and I feel slight uncertainty that the market might reverse on me and go the other way, I'll take out that. So obviously if you're in a trade, and the only reason why I'll be in a trade is because I know that it will make money. If I'm in a trade and I feel that slight uncertainty, I will definitely take out the trade, because I'm only in a trade to make money, not to lose. Unless you're having quite a few good winning trades and you feel like just leaving it running. It's nothing wrong with letting a trade run, but sometimes it might reverse on you and hit your stop loss. And if I do lose, then I only lose 1% or even less than 1%, sometimes maybe slightly higher than 1%. If you feel a lot more comfortable with the trade and you feel like that trade's definitely going to go your way, then I will make my risk 1.2%, but still around 1% risk per trade. So if I do lose that trade, I am still happy and still feel like it's a positive and a great day, even though I lost 1%. So losing is all about, as I said in my last video, it's all about learning from that loss. You definitely do make a lot more progress if you have like a loss and you learn from it, than if you have a loss and then you sulk about it and feel like, oh, I wish I didn't enter that trade, or
blah blah blah, but then you say, oh, I entered that trade, but this is what I could have done better next time. Maybe my stop loss was 5 pips too high, so it stopped me out and then it went in the direction. Or maybe my bias was completely wrong, and I'll learn from that trade, and next time I'll make sure I don't place a trade like that again. So losing is all part of trading, and the more you trade, obviously the more consistency you'll get, so the more winning trades you'll see. So recently I've been uploading a few videos of day in the life of a online market trader, but once lockdown is finished, I definitely will start uploading some more like vlogs of like the day in the life of doing stuff that isn't work related, and just do some more entertaining like type videos, me exploring somewhere, or when I go on holiday I might do a couple of vlogs. And also I might add, because I like to work out a lot, I like to go gym, so I might add a couple of like gym videos as well every so often. If anyone wants me to upload any other content or have any video ideas, just feel free to put it in the comment section. I'm always up for a bit of like advice and what people want to see me do basically. I wanted to show you the view where we're walking. It's quite a nice view. Straight ahead over there. There's a nice view up here as well. Slightly different to the last place I was doing a walk outside, but still a very nice place. Also, I reckon for content wise, I might also upload a couple of challenges as well, which will always be quite fun to watch.
Right, so we are back home after our walk, and now as we got our charts behind us, I'm going to be showing you some breakdown analysis on my pound to Australian dollar. So I'll see you all in the charts. So this is my analysis on pound Australian dollar. We did have this screen recorded, but unfortunately it wasn't loading as I showed you in my other video, so I'm going to have to show you my analysis on screen through my camera. So that was my trade. I did take out early on that trade. I should have held it for longer, but I noticed that in my journal that I need to make sure to hold trades. I've also added a new scalping strategy as well to my trading plan, which is going very nice so far. I've had like four winning trades and 1 losing trade so far, so it's going very well. So at the moment we did see that leg up, so it was quite an aggressive leg up to the upside, but then we saw some downward movement, so I thought the trend's going to continue on the downtrend, which it did do, and I thought it was going to originally retest prior lows, which is here, which it has done. But now I'm kind of thinking market might start to form like a bracket. So brackets like when it consolidates, so it goes up and down and a bit more choppy type movement. So we might see it retest this descending trend line. As you see here, it did break out the smaller descending trend line. So we might easily see it pull back a bit higher up before most likely continue back down to the downside. So at the moment we're just watching this trade, see what happens, and I will update you all if I do enter pounds Australian dollar again. But at the moment it's just on my watch list. So that is it for the video. If you did enjoy the video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to join the nation, and it's been a pleasure. From Sam's, growing as a nation. And I'll see you all in my next video.